More provinces are laying out the welcome mat to travelers to jumpstart the much affected tourism industry in the country. But before you make any plans, be sure to check out what you need to do or prepare for, because it varies from one LGU to another. Naomi Tiburcio reports on the Department of Tourism, now busy working on the standardization of protocols and requirements.
Different province, different travel requirements. This is one of the things the Department of Tourism thinks needs to be addressed to aid the recovery of the tourism sector. The Asian Institute of Management's recent study with 7,000 tourists shows, aside from controlling COVID-19 cases in a tourist destination, there is also a need for government to set standardized health protocols and requirements.
The respondents or the travelers found that the varying LGU or local government unit protocols are actually the top source of travel inconvenience. So, of course, obviously, the presence of a unified system of protocols and guidelines would be beneficial in easing travel arrangement for our travelers.
This is one of the things the Department of Tourism has been advocating. Even Tourism Secretary Bernadette Romulo Puyat, who has been traveling around the country, finds this inconvenient.
Admittedly, kahit na kami, ang hirap-hirap kasi different province, different protocols. And I agree paulit-ulit that it is really important to have uniform travel protocols.
Other tourists say a uniform travel protocol for all destinations is possible so long as tourists are disciplined.
Kaya naman po kung nagiging stay safe po, tsaka yung hygiene po talaga na inaalagaan po ng tao. Kahit saan po sila magpunta, basta dalhin na po nila yung tamang hygiene po, okay lang din po yun.
The League of Provinces of the Philippines says they will discuss this among LGUs, but remind COVID-19 testing as a requirement should not be set aside.
Pag sinabi naman IAPS, wala ng PCR test o antigen test. Pero ang hinihingi naman po namin, magpa-PCR test naman ho sila bago sila pumunta. Para may hawak sila certificate na negative. At meron po kaming karapatan na mag-impose ng local protocol.
The IATF has earlier opened the possibility of unifying requirements for travel. The cabinet is set to announce the result of discussions in the next scheduled meetings. Naomi Tiburcio for The Nation.